Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kati and today I have a huge package. As you can see, they are very nicely packaged. This is the reason why I made this order. So we have a tradition with my mom that I buy her a journal every year for her birthday. And she has like 3 wishes she would want her journal to be. So she wants a horizontal format and all days should be equal, so have the same amount of space. And she likes A5 size. Smaller than that, it's like too little space to write, and more than she thinks that's too much. And that's like not such an easy combination to find, I have found out. I have bought her these paper plank journals before, but I think this is the first time I bought the real A5 size. So I mostly find in the stores the smaller version, but now because of the situation that we have now, I ordered online, so I got the real A5 size for her this time. They call this the maxi size, and this is the black Moroccan design. And I chose her the English version. And this has the international holidays and an yearly view here. Well, Finland is not on the list, but that's okay. Then it has a monthly planner for every month of the year. So this is the 12-month version I chose her. Then you have place for notes, 3 pages, the year 2021. And then it goes to the weekly view. So you can see you have every day has the same amount of space to write. And then you have the monthly calendar here. And it's the same the whole year through. And it has quite thick paper and it's acid free. Let's see what's here in the back. There are the next years and international holidays also for 2022 and a year planner for 22. Yeah, dialing codes, world time zones. Well, my mom doesn't need any of this or use, and then some note pages. Yeah, this is nice. Then she can add here some pictures or something. Designed in Canada, made in China. And then there is a, oh, what's this? Oh, it has a phone book. That's nice. Didn't know that. And then there is a back pocket too. Then there are a few perforated pages, so you could take these out and write notes. Oh, quite nice. So I hope my mom will like this design I chose her this year. It says here in the back the removable mini address book, 2 ribbon page markers. That was the reason why I ordered, and this was $19.95. But then again, I was on the website, so I just couldn't resist ordering something else. And this, oh, it's so beautiful. This one I chose for me. Oh, that looks nice. That's beautiful color. It's as you can see, it's a lot smaller. So this is the, what was this called? Mini. This is the mini size, and this is an 18-month calendar, and I chose the German version. Let's see inside. Probably is pretty much the same. This has also holidays, but only for Germany, Austria and Switzerland. And then the monthly planning. And this goes from July this year till the end of next year. So it has already started, but that's good because that's why I got it on sale. Then here is it's so hard to speak English when you read German, but it has an, yeah, you can see it. And then this is the same horizontal view, and it has a red and I would say golden bookmark. Very nice for my purposes. And let's see what's in the back. Oh, here are also the international holidays, and here is also Finland. Yay! Oh, this is nice. Didn't know. Time zones. Oh. I haven't had a paper plank planner before. It's quite nice. Oh, and I got also a phone book. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, now I don't have to take the ones from my mom's book. This is so... I hope the color comes. I don't know, what was this called? This was Calypso Bold. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I like these. They look so nice on the bookshelf. Yeah, I'm so happy with my purchases. But then I couldn't stop because there were a lot of things on sale, and of course I went to see what's on sale, and then I bought some more. I'm filming this 1 week later because of some issues that I had in the first clip, but now I want to show you the 5 notebooks that I got. And actually I bought these for memory keeping, so I will insert here a picture of all the old journals and diaries and planners that I have, and I want to go those through and only keep the most important dates and memories, and I will want to put those in these 5 notebooks. Actually in 3 of these notebooks, and then the 2 are for future memory keeping. Here is the first one. These are all 5 are the same size, so this is the ultra size, and it's 18 times 23 centimeters, so it's a bit bigger than an A5. I have an A5 notebook here, so you can see the difference. They all are unlined, as they call them, so plank. So there is nothing inside, just blank pages. And here is a bit of George Orwell. So this is the 1984 edition, and I just had to take this because I was born in 1984. And here is also a memory pouch, so I could also put some memories back here. And there is a wrap closure. I chose this one because I think it's quite nice, and the journals had both this elastic closure. I don't have that other journal anymore because I already gave it to my mom, and I can proudly tell you that she loved it, so that was a huge success. So this was the George Orwell 1984 Ultra Wrap Edition. Then I want to show you this one. So this is actually the reason why I chose this size, because I couldn't get this one in any other size, this plank version, and I just wanted this Amy Winehouse edition for some personal reasons, and it will go well because I want to have the years from 2006 to 12 in here, and she died in 11, so that's appropriate, I think. And then here are some lyrics from her song. And yes, I forgot to tell you the price. This was the most expensive one. It was almost 18 euros, but I just couldn't resist of the year. And this was in a good sale, so this was only little under 10 euros. Then I chose this Nikola Tesla. It's called Sketch of a Turbine. This is 11 euros. These have all 144 pages. This looks quite nice. And actually I chose this one because I like the Tesla cars. I think they look nice. These I chose because I think they are beautiful. So this first one is the Monet water lilies. I think there is nothing on the side. I just think this is beautiful, this edition. So this will start from mid 2018 and come to this day. This is the Clos Monet bridge and I think it's beautiful. I love the colors, and actually I thought I would save this for the future. I'm hoping the future will be more bright and cheerful. And actually I have bought this same design 1 year for my mom, so I'm still loving it, and now I have it for myself too. And I think this is a good, like, the bridge to the better future. This is how they will then look in my bookshelf, and I'm so waiting for that moment when I only have these 5 there and not all the books that I have now. If you have any questions or comments about these, please leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much if you are a subscriber. So thank you so much for subscribing. I have been so happy to see that my numbers go up slowly. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.